I'm Jennifer Scott, and today and yesterday my students have been working on their bi-monthly reflections. A bi-monthly reflection is basically creating a portfolio of their very best work, giving evidence and answering 5 questions before they suggest a grade. In this case, they can get 100, 85, 75, you get the idea. In this video, I am explaining to my students that A students will always, 1, have the very best work, and 2, always check their work in Grammarly and Hemingway Editor. This is the video, the screencast that I recorded during class today. So this is Jennifer Scott, and I am demonstrating to my students how A students check their work. In my class, students get to choose their own grades. And in this case, my student has chosen an 88%. He might want to push higher, but he knows he can do that later. So what he's going to do is he's going to come and copy. How do you copy something? A Control-C. Up in the corner, you have a Grammarly extension, and currently it does not work inside Google Docs, but it's going to, and it's going to be amazing. So I'm going to click on New Document. I have to be logged in to see that. It takes me into Grammarly. Now, how do I paste? Control-V. So I do a Control-V, and I have some really cool information if I want it. And now I see a lot of underlying things. We're using the free version of Grammarly, so it's not going to catch everything. The success criteria for assignment number 1. What's the problem with this? It has 2 spaces. Oh, no, wait. Let's see. Yes, it has 2 spaces, and we need 1. The success criteria for number 1 was interviewing. I'm going to tell you right now, it doesn't sound right, but we're using the free version of Grammarly, so it's not catching this. Was interviewing a classmate and write a biography about them, then make an avatar. Does that sound good? It doesn't catch all the mistakes. No one finished the avatar, but what did he do wrong? He didn't capitalize it. But I did the other 2 steps, so I think I did pretty good. I interviewed Simon. I learned that he likes blue football and the Dodgers. If I was a teacher, I would say that Silas did a pretty good job. Oh, he repeated himself, by the way. He can't do that. I'm telling you, you can't repeat yourself. Something different. And if I did it all over again, I would do the avatar. What's wrong with I? Okay, so here's what we're going to do next. Notice that there are actually more mistakes, and if we paid for Grammarly, it would teach us, but we're using the free version. I'm going to come right here, and I'm going to copy it. What's copy? Now I'm going to go to Hemingway app. Do you see this right here? I am going to delete it, and I'm going to paste it. It says it's grade 6, which is good. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on the sentence that's highlighted. Highlighted sentences aren't bad, but that's the one we're going to focus on. The success criteria for assignment number 1 was interviewing. Does that sound right? What should it say? Can I give you a hint? 2 was to what? Interview. Interview a classmate and write a biography about them. Now, this right here shouldn't be a comma. What should it be? It should be a period. Then what? Then, who had to make? I make an avatar? Had what? To make. Oh, and I have a typo right here. I can take this back into Grammarly one more time. I can see if it catches anything else because sometimes it does. And then when I am done, I am going to come back into here and I am going to paste it. Do you understand? It looks as though we're going to have to continue this another day because the bell rang and you guys are just awesome. Would you guys do me a favor and start putting your stuff away?